The class we are discussing the properties of integers. In that, the first one will be well ordering principle. So well ordering principle is nothing but the every non-empty subset of z plus. Z plus is nothing but the positive integers. Every non-empty subset of the positive integers contains the smallest element. Positive integers are nothing but you can also consider as natural numbers. So here I am considering some of the subsets of the z plus. Here consider 2, 4, 6, 8. Here the smallest element is 2. Same as it is if the set is 1, 3, 5, 7. Here the smallest element is 1. Same as it is 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. Here the smallest element is 5. That is the meaning of the well ordering principle. Every non-empty subset of the z plus contains a smallest element. That is the meaning of the statement of the well ordering principle. So on that we are next moving to the mathematical induction. Here we are proving the statement that involves the positive integer n. To prove that the given statement is true, we have to follow the following steps. So those steps will be called as a basis step and the induction step also. So here the basis step means we have to prove the given statement is true for n equal to 1. So next induction step is contained. We have to first assume that the given statement is true for n equal to, and then we have to be prove that statement is true for n equal to k plus 1. By assuming the statement is true for n equal to k, we have to prove the statement is true for n equal to k plus 1. If we prove that the statement is true for n equal to k plus 1, it indicates that the assumption that we have made is also true. Once we prove this both steps, then we declare that the given statement is true for all the values of n. So those will be positive values or positive integers we have taken. So mathematical induction is nothing but we have to prove the given statement is true by these two steps. Those are called the basis step and the induction step. Basis step means we have to prove that the given statement is true for n equal to 1. Induction step means first we have to assume the statement is true for n equal to k, and then we have to prove that the statement is true for n equal to k plus 1. If you prove once n equal to k plus 1 is a true, the statement is true, then it indicates that the statement is also true for n equal to k. So by proving these two steps, we made a statement is true for all the values of n. Those are the positive integers. That is the method of mathematical induction.